Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome back to the Easy English Podcast. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. In today's episode, we are going to walk you through 50 short and practical English sentences designed to help you talk about your daily professional life.
These are expressions that native speakers use all the time. For every phrase, we'll explain the context of when to use it, and then you will repeat it after us.
As always, we'll keep our pace steady and clear, using simple vocabulary so it's easy for everyone to follow along. Let's jump right in.
All right, let's start with the things people do at the office every morning. Here is our first one. I log into my computer when I arrive. I log into my computer when I arrive.
This is usually the very first action we take. It means you sit down, power up your machine, and get ready for the day. It signals that your workday has officially begun. Now, you try. I log into my computer when I arrive.
Perfect. Here is the next one. I check the team calendar every morning. I check the team calendar every morning.
Many workplaces use shared digital schedules. We use this sentence to talk about looking at the agenda for meetings or deadlines. It's a great habit for staying organized. Your turn. I check the team calendar every morning.
Well done. Here is another. I answer urgent emails first. I answer urgent emails first.
This means starting your morning by replying to the most critical messages that need a fast response. You do this so nothing important gets missed. Now repeat after me. I answer urgent emails first.
Good job. Next, I make a fresh cup of coffee before starting. I make a fresh cup of coffee before starting.
This is a classic routine for many of us. It means you like to start with a hot drink to help you feel awake and focused. Now you repeat. I make a fresh cup of coffee before starting.
Excellent. Here is the next sentence. I usually review yesterday's notes. I usually review yesterday's notes.
Use this when you look over what you wrote or did the day before. It helps you remember exactly where you left off. Now say it. I usually review yesterday's notes.
Great. Here's the next one. I update my to-do list during the day. I update my to-do list during the day.
This means that as your day continues, you add new tasks or mark others as finished. It helps you stay on top of things, which means staying in control. Now repeat. I update my to-do list during the day.
Good. Next, I take short breaks to stay focused. I take short breaks to stay focused.
Working for hours without a pause can make you tired. This means taking quick rests to keep your mind sharp. Now you repeat. I take quick breaks to stay focused.
Here's the next one. I respond to all emails by noon. I respond to all emails by noon.
This is a sign of a productive routine, trying to finish all your correspondence before lunch. Repeat after me. I respond to all emails by noon.
Great. Next, I review my goals for the week. I review my goals for the week.
These are the targets you want to hit by Friday. This phrase means you take a moment to see how you're progressing. Now you say it. I review my goals for the week.
Great job. Now let's discuss the rest of your workday. In this section, Maya and I will teach you sentences about what happens during the day and right before you finish.
These are helpful for talking about meetings, deep work, or getting ready for tomorrow. First, I join our daily team call at 10. I join our daily team call at 10.
Many teams have a short morning video meeting to share updates. Now you repeat. I join our daily team call at 10. Excellent. Next, I block time for deep work. I block time for deep work.
This is so useful. It means you schedule quiet time to focus on important tasks without any distractions. Now say it. I block time for deep work.
Next, I usually finish reports before lunch. I usually finish reports before lunch.
This means you like to handle your important writing or summaries in the morning, so the afternoon is free for other tasks. Your turn. I usually finish reports before lunch.
Great. Here's another. I send out updates after each meeting. I send out updates after each meeting.
After a discussion, it's helpful to send a quick note about what was decided. Repeat. I send out updates after each meeting.
Well done. Next, I take a walk during lunch. I take a walk during lunch.
Getting fresh air is great for your body and mind after sitting for a long time. Now repeat. I take a walk during lunch.
Here's the next one. I turn off notifications during meetings. I turn off notifications during meetings.
This means silencing your phone or computer sounds so you can listen better. Now you use it. I turn off notifications during meetings.
Well done. Next, I check my progress in the afternoon. I check my progress in the afternoon.
This means stopping for a second to see what you've done and how much time is left. Now repeat, I check my progress in the afternoon.
Next, I avoid multitasking during busy hours. I avoid multitasking during busy hours.
Multitasking is doing many things at once. This sentence means you prefer to focus on one task at a time to avoid mistakes. Your turn. I avoid multitasking during busy hours.
Good job. Here's the next. I save important documents to the cloud. I save important documents to the cloud.
The cloud is online storage, like Google Drive. This means your files are safe even if your computer breaks. Now repeat, I save important documents to the cloud.
Well done. Next, I reply to messages by the end of the day. I reply to messages by the end of the day.
This shows you don't leave people waiting for an answer. Now repeat, I reply to messages by the end of the day.
Here's the next one. I organize my desk in the afternoon. I organize my desk in the afternoon.
This means cleaning up your physical space to help you think more clearly. Your turn. I organize my desk in the afternoon.
Well done. Next, I usually check tomorrow's schedule before leaving. I usually check tomorrow's schedule before leaving.
Looking at what is planned for the next day helps you feel prepared. Now repeat, I usually check tomorrow's schedule before leaving.
Here is a very useful one. I note down what I finished today. I note down what I finished today.
Keeping a list of your daily accomplishments helps you track your progress. Now you use it. I note down what I finished today.
Well done. Next, I prepare talking points for tomorrow's meeting. I prepare talking points for tomorrow's meeting.
This means writing down a few ideas you want to say so you feel more confident. Now repeat, I prepare talking points for tomorrow's meeting.
Excellent. Next, I log out of my work apps at 5. I log out of my work apps at 5.
This means you stop checking your work email or chat at a specific time to take a break. Your turn. I log out of my work apps at 5.
Here's the next one. I say goodbye to my coworkers before leaving. I say goodbye to my coworkers before leaving.
It's polite and friendly to acknowledge your team before you sign off. Now repeat, I say goodbye to my coworkers before leaving.
Well done. Next, I clean up my desktop and close tabs. I clean up my desktop and close tabs.
This means organizing your computer files and closing browser windows so everything is ready for tomorrow. Now repeat, I clean up my desktop and close tabs.
Here's another one. I leave work around 5:30 every day. I leave work around 5:30 every day.
This describes your standard daily schedule. Your turn. I leave work around 5:30 every day.
Perfect. Next, I usually take the same bus home. I usually take the same bus home.
This refers to your regular commute. Now repeat, I usually take the same bus home.
Well done. Next, I don't check work emails after 6. I don't check work emails after 6.
This is a great way to separate your job from your personal life. Now you use it. I don't check work emails after 6.
Now, in this final part, Leo and I will cover small habits that keep us healthy and organized. First, I bring lunch from home most days. I bring lunch from home most days.
This helps save money and ensures you eat healthier. Now repeat, I bring lunch from home most days.
Next, I drink water regularly to stay fresh. I drink water regularly to stay fresh.
Staying hydrated helps you feel alert during long shifts. Now repeat, I drink water regularly to stay fresh.
Good. Next, I mute my phone during focus time. I mute my phone during focus time.
Silencing your phone helps you avoid distractions. Your turn. I mute my phone during focus time.
Next, I join training sessions every Thursday. I join training sessions every Thursday.
This means attending workshops to learn new skills for your career. Now repeat, I join training sessions every Thursday.
Great. Next, I try to stay off social media at work. I try to stay off social media at work.
This means avoiding apps like Instagram so you can concentrate better. Now say it, I try to stay off social media at work.
Well done. Next, I schedule time for admin tasks. I schedule time for admin tasks.
Admin tasks are things like filling out forms or filing. You plan a specific time to handle them. Now repeat, I schedule time for admin tasks.
Next, I update my availability for the next week. I update my availability for the next week.
This lets your team know when you are free for future meetings. Your turn. I update my availability for the next week.
And finally, let's look at the very end of the day. I stretch my legs every hour. I stretch my legs every hour.
Moving your body regularly is essential for staying healthy at a desk job. Now repeat, I stretch my legs every hour.
Next, I shut down my computer properly. I shut down my computer properly.
This means instead of just closing the lid, you actually power it off. Now repeat, I shut.
Next, I shut down my computer properly. I shut down my computer properly.
Instead of just closing the lid, you actually power it off. Now repeat, I shut down my computer properly.
And the final one, I turn off the office lights before I leave. I turn off the office lights before I leave.
This means you are making sure everything is shut down before you go home. Now repeat, I turn off the office lights before I leave.
Well done, and that is our list for today. You've just learned 50 real English sentences you can use in your daily work routine.
Try to listen to this again and imagine yourself using these phrases. The more you say them out loud, the more natural they will feel.
This is the Easy English Podcast. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself.